when you're struggling, because I can promise you are going to struggle. The creative process is a struggle. It's not a bug that you are struggling. It is a feature of the creative process. It's by definition a struggle. I got a comment and they would go, the only way to get anywhere is hard work. All you need to do is work hard. And I'm like, yes, you definitely need to work hard. But if I asked you, I'll tell you what, why don't you come to Queensland? And what we're going to have a great time. In the morning, I'm going to ask you to dig a hole in my front garden. Okay? And then we'll have a nice pie, because we have nice pies here in Australia. We'll have a nice pie for lunch. Yeah? And then I'm going to ask you to fill in the hole in the afternoon. Yeah? Sound like a good use of your time? It's really hard. You'll be working very, very hard. Even at this time of year, you'll get hot and blisters on your hands. But it's completely pointless. In other words, working hard is not good. Working hard on the right things is good. Right? So I'm assuming that everyone knows that you have to work hard. I don't understand. So when I say the easy way to make music, I mean doing easier things that you can work hard on. So that's why people get really cross with me for saying words like easy. It's often because they have connected, if it's hard, it's good. No. If it's hard, it's hard. If it's easy, it's bad. No, if it's easy, it's easy. Hard isn't good. Easy isn't good. Hard is hard. Easy is easy. Yeah. So what we're doing here is we're finding better ways of doing things so that we can work hard on them. So in other words, you are going to struggle, and that's okay.